already discussed or explained the chapter number 7, beaks and claws. In this video, I am going to solve the exercise from your book. Exercise time. Okay, page number 36 and 37. Everyone open your EVS book, page number 36 and 37. Now, question number 1. Give 2 examples of each. Climbing birds. Just to write the name of 2 birds. Climbing bird, woodpeckers and parrot. Now, wading birds, cranes and heron. Scratching birds, hens and pigeon. You can write the first letter small or capital, no problem. Number 4, swimming birds. All of you know the name of the swimming birds, ducks and swan. Now, perching birds. Name to perching birds, crows and sparrow. Last one, grasping bird. Grasping bird, eagles and owl. Here, so here are the 2 examples of this type of bird. You can write the first letter small or capital. Now, number B, match the bird to what it eats. First one is hummingbird. Hummingbird suck nectar from flowers. So you match with first I have written here A, B, C, D. Okay, so you can write in this way. After that, you match hummingbird with nectar from flowers. Why? Because their slender and straw-like beak helps to suck nectar from flowers. Number B, kingfisher. Kingfisher eat fish. Because their long, sharp and pointed beak helps to spear fish. This one is sparrow. Sparrow eats seeds. The short, thick and conical beak helps to break and crush seed. So, this picture match with seed. Now the last one, all of you know the name of this bird. The bird is woodpecker. Their long and slender beak tapering at the tip helps to make holes and catch insect. So this picture match with insect. Okay, so I have written the letter A, B, C, D in this way. You can match in your book. Clear? Now the next one. One is choose the correct answer. Okay, page number 37. The bird have web feet. Which bird have web feet? Here are 3 options. Here are 3 options: swimming, wading and perching. Just I will write the correct one. Okay? These birds have web feet. Number 1, see number 1, swimming. Okay? Now, these birds can sleep even while sitting on a branch of a tree. Perching bird. Number 2, perching. Now, number 3, these birds have 2 toes rather than 4. Option is running. Now number 4, found in these birds? Talons are found in these birds. Option is grasping. Grasping. Number 5. Owls and eagles have these beaks. All of you know hooked. Option is hooked. Okay, clear? So choose the correct answer. I have done here. I have written only the answer. This one from page number 36. A from page number 36 and C from page number 37. Clear? All of you do this one in your previous book. Question number E, because D I have already told I send this all answer of this question through our study material. So now I am starting from E. Complete the flow chart. Here you have to write down the different types of beaks and the example of birds. Beaks. You have already read the different types of beaks. Here is crater. Number 2, probe. Now the next one, tweezer. Then spear shape. Next one, strainer. Next, hook. Last one, chisel shape. So here are the different types of beak. You will write one example of beak. Here are the some name of the beaks and some example are given in your book. But first I have written here all the different types of beaks, whatever in your book. Now the example of crackers, sparrow. Example of crow, hummingbird. Example of tweezer, hoopie. Example of spear shape, heron. Example of strainer, duck. Example of hook beak present in owl. Example of chisel shaped beak present in woodpecker. Okay, here I have written the name of different types of beak and given one example of each type of beak. So you fill up this chart, flow chart, seeing the video in your book. Okay, and I have already seen the video where I have discussed the name of the birds and the types of the beaks watch the video. This is page number 37 also. In the next video, I will discuss the next part, that is different types of clause and write true or false. And do all this in your book. Clear? Thank you.